Treating that sharp pain on the outside of your foot like a sprain isn't just useless, it's actively making the injury permanent. You didn't roll your ankle. You overloaded your ankle's dynamic guardrails. The peroneus longus and brevis tendons run behind your ankle bone, acting as the primary defense against rolling outward. When you treat this like a passive ligament sprain with rest and ice, you allow these critical stabilizers to atrophy, guaranteeing the pain returns. This injury aggressively targets trail runners and those with high arches. Why? Because your foot naturally supinates, or rolls outward, forcing these tendons to work overtime on every single landing to pull you back to neutral. It is a capacity issue, not a trauma issue. But here's the hidden trap that catches even experienced physios. If you feel a distinct snapping or popping sensation behind the ankle bone while running, stop immediately. That is not just inflammation. It is likely a subluxation where the tendon actually snaps out of its groove due to a torn retinaculum. If there is no snapping, just pain, standard advice fails because tendons hate total rest. They require load to realign collagen fibers. Stretching your calves won't help because this isn't a calf problem. It is an aversion weakness problem. We need to load the foot moving outward. Here is the exact protocol to rebuild tendon stiffness. Start with banded isometrics. Push your foot outward against a wall or heavy band and hold for 45 seconds. Do this 5 times. Once pain is manageable, move to isotonic band repetitions, focusing heavily on a slow, 3-second release phase. You can often continue training through mild cases if you mechanically offload the tendon. Use a rigid tape job that pulls the heel from the inside to the outside, essentially doing the muscle's job for it. If the pain stays below a 3 out of 10 during the run and doesn't spike the next morning, you are safe to proceed. Build the stabilizers, don't just ice the pain away.